Welcome to our yoga break with Ryaden and Grandma Annie. Let's get started. Okay, so let's sit in a nice comfortable seated position. And today we are going to explore a magical kingdom. A magical imaginary kingdom. Ryaden is going to share with us some of his favorite magical pets. And we're going to, yoga poses are many times named for our natural world, but we can change those names based upon how we feel and what we're doing today. And that's what we're going to do. So let's start by sitting up nice and straight. And we're going to take a few breaths, and then we're going to create a magical portal to go into our magical world. Are you ready?
I haven't been there in a long time.
Okay, inhale and exhale. Nice and long and smooth exhale. Inhale again. Nice and long and smooth exhale. And now we're going to use our arm. We're going to inhale to the very tippy top and point up. And then we're going to exhale our arm down to the sides. And the other side, inhale, come up. Exhale down. We're making our portal. Inhale around up. Exhale down. We're making our portal. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale. Good. Now we're going to use both arms. We're going to inhale up in a circle. And exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. And one more time as we move through our imaginary portal. And exhale down. Good. We are now in our imaginary kingdom. Hooray. So, wow. Look, I see Miss Hiss. Let's come onto our knees, onto table. So Miss Hiss is kind of a spunky little cat, isn't she? So when we come up into our Halloween cat, we're going to hiss. And when we come down into our cow pose, we're going to meow. Meow, meow. And up into our Miss Hiss. Inhale down. We're going to meow, meow, meow. One more time. Exhale up. Inhale coming down. Meow, meow, meow. Wow, that's fun. I love Miss Hiss. Look, there's little puppy. Let's push. Little puppy, let's push down to downward dog. Get our heels pushing down to the ground, right?
He's the strongest puppy.
The coolest puppy. Shake your tail. Wiggle our tail. Little puppies wiggling the tail. And little puppies running forward. And little puppies running backwards. Staying on your mat. And little puppies running forward. Good job. Little puppies running backwards. And stay here and wiggle your tail again. Wiggle your tail again. Good job. Let's come down to our knees and see who else we see. There is a cobra, a snake. What's the snake's name?
Whip.
Whip the snake. So let's come down onto our bellies. Put our hands right underneath our elbows, or you can put your elbows down, or you can put your hands underneath your shoulders and lift up. Inhale, lift up, and exhale. And lower your head all the way to your forehead touches the ground. Inhale, lift your chest. And exhale. One more time. Inhale up. And exhale. Really cool snake. Let's push back to child's pose to rest our back. And just a breath or two here in child's pose. We have to rest our back after a back bend. Then, oh my gosh, let's come on to our, sitting on our bottom with our feet forward. And who is your favorite one ever? I better take this off because I messed it up last time. Okay, who is your favorite magical pet ever?
Mega.
Oh, well, we're going to do Sonic now. Sonic Boom has a roll, right? So put your feet up here.
Mega.
Hands on your knees. We will do Mega. And let's just roll back and forward and boom. Roll back and forward, boom. Sonic Boom. Roll back and forward, boom. One more time. We're going to come all the way up to stand.
Mega.
Not yet. Sonic still. Remember our order. We're going to stand nice and firm. Put our feet strongly on the ground. Take a breath. We're going to start in mountain pose. And from mountain pose, Sonic is still going to run really fast. So he's going to bring one foot back. Arms at your side. You're going to lower your body down and bring your arms up. And kind of lean forward up on your tippy toe. Sonic is running so fast you can't see his feet moving. And let's move our foot up if you want to. Or you can keep it down. Wow. Woohoo! Good balance. That's really good. Be careful though. Okay, so we're going to come up. Bring our foot up again. We always have to do both sides, but Sonic runs on both legs, right? So we're going to bring our foot back. Lean forward. Bring our arms up and then move forward so our tippy toes on the ground. If you feel super balanced, you can lift it up, but only if you feel balanced.
I did not feel balanced.
Good. It's best to keep our tippy toe on the ground, isn't it? And come up, bring our foot forward, and that's Sonic. Now it's time for Mega the rhinoceros. So let's step together, put our feet together, put our hands up at our heart. Step forward, or back a little bit. I'll be forward, you be back. Okay, and we're going to jump out. Our hands are out and our feet are wide. Feet are facing forward. We're going to take one arm up and the other arm down. We're going to wrap around like this. This is our horns. We're going to touch our nose with our thumb like that. Okay, good. Our horns. So then we're going to inhale, look up, and exhale and come down. Now hang down on an exhale first. Just stay in one place first. Couple of breaths. Then you can walk forward very slowly like a rhino. Very slowly. Backwards, very slowly like a rhino. That's not slowly. Inhale, come up. Put your arms up in the air. Down. Now, do you remember which arm was up and which arm was down?
This one was up, this one was down.
So open your arms. Bring the other arm up and the other arm down. Touch your nose with your thumb. See? Good. Inhale, look up. We're going to hang for 2 breaths before we walk. Exhale down. Relax your knees a little bit. Right, 2 breaths, and then we're going to walk slowly. Those rhinos are really tough and slow. And walk back, tough and slow. Good job. And inhale, reach up to the sky. Exhale, hands down to the ground. Very nicely done. So now let's come down to our knees. And we're going to do a little transition to our eel. So we're going to dive in the water to see our eel, right? Inhale up. Dive down into the water to see our eel. Bring our feet back and all the way on our bellies. Right? All the way on our bellies. Now we're an eel. So we're going to lift up our legs and lift up our top.
Wait, the name.
Oh, what's the name of the eel?
Flare's blade.
Bear's blade. Okay.
Flare.
So inhale, lift up, both sides. Exhale down. Now just wiggle around because eels are wiggly.
That's how they move.
Eels are iggly. Wiggly, iggly, iggly, iggly.
Electric eels are
And let's roll over onto our backs.
like this.
Just like that. Take a big breath in. Let it out slow. Another breath in. And let it go. Put your hands on your heart. I'm going to sing a song for relaxation, okay? I have an imaginative heart, and so do you. Let's all have fun, just me and you. We can play together 'cause it's so fun. It's time to relax. Breath in, breath out. We'll have some more fun. Take a breath and exhale. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Roll to your side and come up to a seated position. We hope you join. Oh, namaste. Hands together. Namaste. We hope you joined our yoga break.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more cool videos like this, just hit that like button. And find our website. And share this with all your friends. Every single one.
Thank you. Hope to see you again. Namaste.